Good morning, students. Class 7th Science, and today's our topic acids dissolve in water. All acids readily dissolve in water and to make the water acidic. When water is added to a concentrated acid, it dilutes the acids. When diluting acids, as a rule, always add the acid slowly to the water. Never add water to a concentrated acid. When acid mixes with water, heat is produced. Heat is produced. Acid are corrosive. Corrosive substances eat up a wide range of material. Acid corrode most metals. They also corrode materials of living tissues, cloth, wood and limestone. You have seen the acids attack in cloth. They have corrode. Acid can be strong or weak. Some acids such as sulfuric acid and nitric acid are strong acid, whereas carbonic acid and acetic acid are examples of weak acids. Acids found in fruits, curd and other food products are weak acids, strong acids and weak acids. Some example here: strong acid, hydrochloric acid, HCl, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, H2SO4, here HCl, nitric acid, HNO3, phosphoric acid, H3PO4, citric acid, weak acid, lactic acid, acetic acid, tannic acid, carbonic acid. They are weak acids. Uses of acids. Acids are widely used in industries and are present in many of our everyday products. Hydrochloric acids, which are present in our stomach and help to digest our food. Food have not rotten or spoil in our stomach because food have stay 5 hour 4 hour in our stomach. Acid, nitric acid uses fertilizer, plastics, photographic films, explosives and dyes. Sulfuric acids, automobile batteries, fertilizers, paints, plastics and dyes. Hydrochloric acids to remove rust from metals. Get it right? Aluminium vessels are ideal for cooking food. Only while cooking food items which are acidic, such as vinegar, curd, lime juice, tamarind or tomatoes, one has to be careful not to use them. Aluminium react even with a mild acid. Next topic: what are bases? Bases have a soapy feel and bitter taste. Bases are compounds which contain oxygen or oxygen along with hydrogen. A base that contains oxygen is called oxide, while the base is contain oxygen along with hydrogen is called hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH, calcium hydroxide CaOH का whole twice, calcium oxide CaO are bases. Properties of bases. Bases react with acid to produce salt and water. When a base and an acid react, they neutralize each other. This means they cancel out each other properties. Acid plus base gives out salt plus water. Some bases dissolve in water. A base that readily dissolves in water is known as alkali. Washing soda is an alkali. Alkalis, when dissolved in water, feel slippery on the skin. All bases are not soluble in water. Some bases are corrosive in nature. Some bases are strong bases, whereas some are weak bases. Strong bases are corrosive and can damage living tissues. Uses of bases. Strong sodium hydroxide is a strong base and is used to drain cleaners. Strong base dissolve grease and help to removing dirt. Bases sodium hydroxide in a manufacture of paper, soap and detergent. Potassium hydroxide in manufacture of soaps and batteries. Calcium hydroxide in manufacture of mortar and plasters. Ammonia is manufacture of nitric acids and fertilizers. Thank you, student.